Funny baby cartoon. Surprise gift. We had a new girl at school, girl at school, girl at school. We had a new girl at school, Mary was her name. Mary was sweet and shy, sweet and shy, sweet and shy. Mary was sweet and shy the moment that she came. She sat beside me, we became friends, we became friends, we became friends. She sat beside me, we became friends, as close as can be. She gave me chocolates every day, every day, every day. She gave me chocolates every day. She's so kind, you see. But now I wonder what to do, what to do, what to do. But now I wonder what to do to surprise her too. Let's make her a welcome gift, welcome gift, welcome gift. Let's make her a welcome gift, that is what we'll do. Fill the box with coloring tools, coloring tools, coloring tools. Fill the box with coloring tools and lots of stickers too. Add some sweets and candy too, candy too, candy too. Add some sweets and candy too, she'll be happy, it's true. Wrap it up and put it away, put it away, put it away. Wrap it up and put it away till you take it to school. I will just leave this box here, this box here, this box here. I will just leave this box here, she'll be surprised for sure.